Hello guys, welcome to another video of Python projects, and in this video I'm gonna make a interesting project where you can search a topic in Google using Python. Now here I'm going to open VS Code in this terminal. So here I'm going to make a file called main.py. Now here I will zoom in. Yeah, now here I'm just gonna import Pywhatkit as kit. Now here just one line of code, kit dot search, and the topic of the Google search. Now here I'm going to write Yashass codes. Now I will run it in terminal and it opens my Google Chrome and it shows my video. And if you have not liked this, like this video, and thank you Madhusri Shastri for your wonderful comment. Now here we will just make it little improved, just adding one line of code. I'll just say topic is equals to input, and here topic to search. That's all. Now here removing this and topic. Now again I'll run it, and again, and it asks me for the topic to search. Here I will write Python programming, and it opens and it shows the official Python programming website. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Till then, take care everyone, and bye bye.